Now, on to my next bodywork challenge. I had these on when I had that other tank on that thing, and I took them off today, and this one went crack. I don't know if you can see that crack right there. There's another crack over here that's not showing up. This thing has been repaired right here and right here, right where it cracked in both spots. Now I need to flatten these two areas out. I'm not sure what they used in here. It's kind of soft stuff. Keeps clogging up my file. Didn't work very well. Getting there. This is not fun. This is taking a while. I'm not sure what this is. It seems like it was some sort of Bondo. And I'm trying to get all of it out and get down to the black ABS so I can attach another piece of ABS on top here to hopefully strengthen it. I still have to get all this goop out of here too. Oh, that's a crack. So they drilled a couple holes here. I don't know if they went all the way through or not. The crack is right here. They did that so that the Bondo or whatever they put on there would adhere a little better, I'm sure. But this area is a little more difficult because I can't get in there and scrape with the file. So a new method is put in place. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Go away, Bondo. Look at that chunk. Okay, I think I'm ready. I marked where the cracks are. Those holes, I think they drilled all the way through. There's two there, and there's two there. So I started chipping away at these two, then stopped because I'm going to chip the paint away on this side if I keep going. Now that that's all cleaned out, what do? I went on YouTube and found this cool channel called Ken's Garage, and he's done a repair like this. What he did was take some ABS plastic from his beautiful R6 fairings that he modified to fit on his RZ500. I'm going to cut two pieces and then ABS cement these things on here. There's a bit of a bump right here, so I rounded a little section of this off. I rounded the back edge of this piece. This stuff is getting a little bit thick, so I'm getting scientific here and mixing a little tiny bit of acetone with some of that thick goo to try to thin it out a little bit. Not the best applicator tool. Of course, I wasn't planning on getting this all over my fingers, but it's inevitable. It just happens. Okay, by the way, if you haven't been to Ken's Garage YouTube channel, I highly recommend it. He does a lot of stuff like this, and you can really learn a lot. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, I hope this works. I think it worked on my last one. It's held up so far, but I haven't used it much. Time will tell. I'll be back out tomorrow to check this out. I just put these grips on. Clutch side and throttle side. What did I use for grip glue? my wife's hairspray. I had to go raid her supply room in there, but I'm going to go put this away and she'll never know. It's the next day. This stuff dries very hard. I think it'll hold up quite well. Looks pretty good. I can't even get the crack to show up, or open up I should say. This one, there's one here and there's one over here, giving it a little bit of a bend. It feels pretty good. I'm just going to let it cure for another day or week or so before I put it on. It looks like it's still missing a couple of body parts, doesn't it?